Inside a half-finished cathedral, three figures gather beneath an arch adorned with three carved pentacles. A young artisan stands on a bench with tools in hand. Before him, a monk and a noble hold the blueprint for his work. Light filters through high windows, warming the stone. The Three of Pentacles is the card of collaborative mastery, skill shaped through shared vision, guidance, and purposeful structure. The artisan is the central symbol, poised between apprenticeship and mastery. His raised platform elevates him literally and symbolically, showing growth, confidence, and the transition from learning to competence. His upward gaze reveals humility. He works with focus, yet remains open to instruction. He reminds us that skill matures through practice, supported by willingness to learn. The second symbol is the pair of companions, a spiritual figure in grey and a worldly patron in red and blue. Together, they embody wisdom and resources, thought and action. Their presence demonstrates that mastery flourishes when insight, material support, and talent converge. Collaboration transforms individual effort into something enduring, grounding the creative process in community. Above them, the three carved pentacles form the third symbol, labor sanctified. The rosette design suggests that craftsmanship mirrors divine creation, marking the mundane sacred through intention. Each pentacle affirms that purposeful work is a spiritual act. The cathedral setting reinforces this, showing that even stone and scaffolding can be holy and aspirational. The unfinished architecture is the fourth symbol, representing progress within process. The rising walls and exposed scaffold remind us that mastery is never final. Every achievement opens into new challenges. Earth's growth is iterative, built through consistency rather than completion. The card honors both what stands and what remains to be shaped. The fifth symbol is the gentle light entering through the high window, illumination that is steady rather than dramatic. This practical glow allows the artisan to see the next line he must engrave. Inspiration here is guidance, not spectacle. Creativity grows in disciplined, repeated actions supported by clear vision. In readings, the Three of Pentacles signals teamwork, apprenticeship, learning from mentors, and visible progress. It encourages collaboration, planning, and respect for expertise. Its shadow cautions against isolation. Pride may hinder growth when guidance is needed. The card affirms that great work is communal work.